Hello beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Thank you for tuning into my channel this week, or this day I should say. And I have a literary appreciation box. This is a book box subscription. Unfortunately, I just heard that this is the last one, but if you want to check out their website, this box has still got a few left, as well as a previous box for the Sherlock Holmes box, which I did a review on that, and I can leave that link below. So it's a beautiful subscription. I'm very sad to hear that it's going to be stopped for a while at least. And did I even open it? I didn't even open it. I'll get some scissors and I'll tell you about it. Scissors are much easier to open it. Is a little bit more expensive at $75 a box, but you got 3 books and plus the bookish items and tea and all sorts of good stuff. So, you know, a lot of the subscriptions are $30, $40 a month. So at that rate, you're getting almost like a free month for free altogether. And it's 2 classic books with a non-fiction related, so they all have a theme. So I'm excited to see. I don't know if the box is indicative of what the theme is. She's very creative that way. So let us see. The book work box. Oh, Fahrenheit 451, Something Wicked This Way Comes, and the Bradbury Chronicles. So Ray Bradbury is the author, and so there's a nonfiction book about him, and I love Fahrenheit 451. I think it is an amazing classic, and even my son, who was required to read at school, said that it was one of the only books that he actually enjoyed reading. So can recommend that as a good place to start with classics. Something Wicked This Way Comes. I have seen, I think, 2 different film versions, but I don't think I've ever read the book, so I'm super excited about that. And then we got bookish items. So let's see what we got, y'all. This looks cute already. Ooh, it's candle waxes. Oh, this is from the Book Lovers, from that Frostbeard Studio, which I love. This one is a great scent. I don't have a way to warm these. A bookstore. I love these 2 scents. Gosh. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to use those. And then here's my tea. I always love these teas. Spiced apple chai, chestnut cranberry. Check it, y'all. And then it's got the loose tea that I've got tons of infusers now, although I think this actual box has gifted me with a couple of them. And then, ooh, snacks. Here's our snacks. This is the caramelized popcorn to go with the apple chai tea, and sniffing these wonderful scents. This Frostbeard Studio, I get their candles. They're all natural and they just smell so good. So let's see. Here's Something Wicked This Way Comes. So super excited. I love how, I don't know if you can see, if it'll show us, but the pages themselves have that raw edge, old library paper, old paper kind of look. Love that. That's beautiful. The words seem a tad small, but that's all right. And the Bradbury Chronicles. Sam Weller is the author of the nonfiction book about him. So that will be interesting. I don't know anything about him at all. So, oh my gosh, there's more popcorn. And the little lantern glows like a real thing. Huh. Look at that. Nostalgic glow. Hang it or stand. That is really cute. I wonder what kind of battery that takes. I have to, hopefully it comes with one. Batteries are included. That's cool. This might be one of those things where when the battery dies, the battery is more expensive than just replacing the whole thing, but this is adorable. And we're a big camper RV family, so that's appropriate for us. And this is the bookmark. Oh, Look, Wally the Clip Bookmark. It's like, look at him. That is fantastic. Bookworms also need a break. Oh gosh, I wonder if that's easy to clip on your page. You know, when you have to sit there and struggle with it and you can't just slap it and go. That's my only concern at all, but that is so cute. So cute. So cute. And then, oh, you know what? This is the exact copy that I own. So this one I will gift because, like I said, it's a good one and a good place to start with the classics. It's obviously about a fire and firefighters, and it's an interesting take. It's more like it's this warped kind of reality. I don't think this is a spoiler alert. I think that everybody knows this is kind of generally what it is, where like you start fires instead of like firemen starts fires instead of putting them out in them. Anyway, it's cool. It's a cool premise. So I really look forward to reading the nonfiction and seeing like, you know, his thoughts behind that and what was going on and all that kind of good stuff. So the lantern, I think, is a good little nod to the fire, right? And the tea and the caramel and the bookmark. I'm a little sad I don't have a way to burn these. My husband won't let me burn melts, and yeah, maybe I'll have to find some little melter, maybe at the dollar store. Do they sell them at the dollar store? Oh, sorry, my camera's adjusted. Got that in the frame. Sorry about that. Do they sell those at the dollar store? I'm gonna look for that in my next Dollar Tree, y'all. So, but thank you very much. Thank you for providing this awesome book subscription. If you want to get this exact box, they have a few of them left, so hurry and order yours. And if you are a Sherlock Holmes, the Penguin Classic cloth bounds are those editions, which are my favorites, the ones that look like this. In fact, I think, is one of these Sherlock? Hold on. Give me one sec. One of these is probably Sherlock. Right there. These two are the two that you get. So they fit into my collection perfect. So that was my favorite box. So thank you for tuning in. If you don't subscribe, please consider subscribing, joining along with me. I will see you again soon. Take care.